Start record. Okay, everything is okay. So should we start now? Today we will learn introduction of HTML and CS, basic definition of HTML as well as CS. So feel free. It's okay. And the outline of this lesson, I will introduce you software specific software you need to install so that we can continue our lesson seamlessly. Okay, and the second thing I will teach you is that the introduction to HTML. Devo, have you ever make a website with HTML or CS before 20 years ago? Oh, sorry, just a minute. Okay, Kiran, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, clearly.
Okay, Devo, where are you? I,
I'm here. Yeah, yeah. Sorry,
okay,
I mute my microphone. Yeah.
okay, it's keep going with your work. You can watch our video back, or else if you have done your work, you can go back with our class and tell me. Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So next one we will learn basic HTML elements and tasks as well. Some specific rules that we need to follow and based on it. And finally, take tasks. Some elements relating to our document list or at least navigation for our lesson today. Install about installation. I need you to install first one EDA, Visual Studio Code, and the second one is an add-ons service named Lifesaver. We have two versions: a Lifesaver on a web extension and Lifesaver inside your Visual Studio Code, and you can install it immediately on Visual Studio Code. Is I think it's much uh, confident convenient. Yeah. So think uh did you install Lifesaver before?
Yeah, but I'm not sure which version is that.
Oh, never mind. They will upgrade for you automatically if they have any update version that they release. Okay, feel free.
Okay.
But do you understand what is Lifesaver used for?
Pass out error code.
What?
To test the code, right?
Not really.
Like it will
So,
display our HTML CSS code from the browser. Yeah.
okay. Nearly okay. So, do you really understand the mechanism of leaf saver? I mean, when you have an HTML file and you type "go live" button, what actually happened with your code?
Then I'm not really know.
So I ask you another question, like, why do you That why do we use Visual Studio Code first instead of other popular EDL outside like IntelliJ, PyCharm, Visual Studio, Visual Code, etc. and so on. Like or else Cursor. Why do we start with my Visual Studio Code?
I haven't thought about it, so I don't know.
So have you ever tried IntelliJ?
When I study a little bit, like I started to study backend, they use IntelliJ, but I don't know why.
Okay. So Caleb, do you know why?
What about what? IntelliJ or the
Why
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 we
do
need to
we
install?
why do we start with Visual Studio Code instead of other ED? Are they the same or they have
Uh,
differences?
uh, I think the first thing would be the large amount of developer using this one. So they creating a good resource for us through the extension. They have a lot of extension for other language. Um, and it's I think it's about the large community. For IntelliJ, it would be great for us to code in Java because you don't need to download a lot. The IntelliJ is easy for us to code in Java, so that's why they're using IntelliJ. But other language like Python or HTML, CSS, JavaScript, uh, just like that React, they they can easily using it on Visual Studio Code.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Your answer is quite true. Yeah. Okay. You got it. Thank. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I think he's lagging.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
I think you can check your internet connection. Your internet connection is quite slow. Do you want me to donate for you ST 5K of Viettel?
No, my laptop is just too far from me, so I think the mic doesn't go.
Okay. So do you get do you get real main idea of Visual Studio Code why we use it instead of
Yeah, I
other?
heard that.
Okay.
I remember you say.
Yeah, that's right. About Lifesaver, we have Lifesaver Visual Code extension. Okay, I really highly recommend this this version instead of Lifesaver Web because as as my experiment, uh, this Lifesaver Web version sometimes they didn't work with me, or I can say most of the time. Yeah, I mean, uh, their software outs their add-on service is not stable. Yeah. So, to talk about the mechanism of Lifesaver, what happened if we hit the button Lifesaver? Okay. 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 I will show you. First we have HTML files. Okay. We got a yeah. Imagine that we got HTML or CS file or JS JavaScript file and so on. So what happened next, Killian? If we hit live server button, what happened
Oh,
next?
the engine over Chrome. it will parse the dorm tree, and I think the engine from Google Chrome, I remember, is V8, right? And JavaScript, they have other engine to compile to CSS, and then compile to and show up on the uh, compile to the website. Yeah.
No, I don't ask you about
Oh,
some kinds of engine, just simple mechanism of leaf server. What do they provide us? What actual service they provide for us?
the live servers provide the environment.
Which environment
Uh,
or what?
the browser environment.
Yes, uh, web server.
Yeah.
Yeah, where actually live server provide us web server, and from a web server, all of this HTML and CSS is converted into a specific technique called DOM tree, and from DOM tree, our browser can DOM tree from DOM tree our browser can show the final result of HTML and CSS code, or at least JS as well. Browser, browser. Yeah, that's happen if after we hitting uh, go live button. Do you get it? Thing ơi.
Uh, so what provide web server?
What?
So the web server thing, like you just get it, or what gives you that?
Dylan, what did he say?
I don't know what he's saying. Can
I think he say how to install that extension.
No, no,
Oh,
no. The web server thing, like where does it come from?
Oh, a small one
oh,
inside
uh
the.
inside live server you install it. They provide it for you. The same to Tomcat or something else that is serverless server. Tomcat. Have you heard it?
No, I haven't heard.
Have you have you ever worked with Java?
Java, yeah, I did.
So I think you heard Tomcat somewhere else at your school.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Do you know Tomcat?
I heard about it, but I never worked on it.
Okay, okay. It's okay. Where several of several web servers that provide virtual environment or environment that our code can be interpreted or compiled. Yeah, that's the reason why we need a kind of specific server. And as a casual, when we install, for example, like we install IntelliJ or something else, they provide your they will provide you some default of web server. Sorry, default of server. Yeah, and in here we when we install live server, they will provide you a specific web server. You got it? Kỳ Linh ơi, bạn đang nói gì đấy?
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, okay. Sometimes I'm not sure that it's problem of my internet or it's your. So
It's
I
probably
need.
mine because my laptop mic's quite bad. So
Oh, okay, it's okay. We have a send you. You wanna hear it? Is it?
Can you say that one more time?
We have a send you. Do you wanna hear it?
A set new?
Yeah.
What is that?
Is that new student cannot join us?
Oh,
He really wanna join with us, but his timetable conflict with us. I mean, at first he thought that our class will go on the night of Saturday, but actually we study on the night of Friday.
oh.
Yeah, different mindset. Okay. Uh, any question in this slide thing or Ziva? Do you have any
yeah,
question?
nope, I'm
No.
good.
Okay. So what is HTML? Actually, HTML stands for uh, hypertext markup language. Is a type of language that is used to mark up some content, markup content in order to create your website. Okay. And besides from HTML, we also have another language is XML, but we don't dive into XML in here. Okay, and with respect with regard to HTML, HTML used uh, script structure on your website, including text, heading, link, image, table, and so on. And remember that HTML they do not have logic function or something like methods. Some methods in JavaScript in order to handle logic. Yeah. So, one question for you, Ting and Jivo. Is HTML is a programming language? How about you, Jivo?
I think I heard it.
Jivo?
Mm, I don't think it is a programming language because it has no logic. For example, like if L something like that. HTML and CSS, in my opinion, they are not programming language. JavaScript is a programming language.
Mhm. Is that all?
Yes, not all.
Okay. How about you, Ting? Ting ơi.
I don't remember.
Hả?
It's just not a language, but I don't remember why.
Yeah, the reason is at the last sentence here, and you can combine with opinion of Jivo. He's right. Yeah, that's all. Do you get it, Ting?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. So 2 minutes for both of you, Ting and Jivo. So, we have many version of HTML, but in here I want you to make a comparison between HTML and HTML5. What are they and what is different between them? Okay, 2 minutes from now. And Killian as well. If you do not remember, you can spend 2 minutes on website, and after that I will tell you, or you can play role as a judger.
Okay. Okay.
Killian, do you see my smart corner?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's broken.
Oh, that's why you have a new one.
Yes, that's right. I have a new one because I don't know why it's broken. I use it's very normal.
Oh, that's why we need to change to Apple. Playing Apple is not really hard.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah. I used to play. I used to play uh Arena of Valor, which is Link Mobile for I think it's 6 hours.
6 hour?
For real. I'm not gonna lie. I I used to
Are
play with
you
my
game
friend.
player?
Back back in like I think it's like a year ago. A year ago. But my phone, it was iPhone 11. It's not really it's not getting hot or else.
That's
I
called addicted.
Yeah, that's addicted. I used to be like that. Uh I play I I play for 6 hours and then I plug charge during that time.
Okay. Okay, thumbs up. Zero. What's your answer?
Sorry, I don't know about this.
Huh?
Yes, they're working on the work at my company.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. How about you take? What's your answer?
Uh, HTML5, just like the latest version of HTML, right? And it has some user-friendly implementation.
What are they?
Like we do get footer section, things
Mm-hmm.
like that, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Keep going.
That's that's all I know.
Is that all? Kidding.
Yeah, that
So the HTML5 is the newest version and the currently version for web browser. Um, they support a lot of new thing that the HTML, the old version doesn't support, which is like the doc type is shorter than the old one. Um, all the element they creating a new one instead of like using div. They're using a new like element like easier. For example, is header, footer, section, and stuff. Also, they implement they support the API. That's worth a lot.
Huh?
Oh, and yeah,
API?
yeah, they do support API. New API. Like I see on ChatGPT they show it's like geolocation.
Can you give
Ah,
me example of what
I see.
new feature with API that HTML5 provide for you? Because actually I didn't use API, core API immediately from HTML. I don't know how.
Hmm. Let's see.
Or do you mean API for calling specific libraries like Bootstrap or anything like that?
Um, No, I when I search on HTML, when I search on ChatGPT, my sources, ChatGPT is so oh they have the website show the geolocation of user.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah,
Yeah, I got the same answer from ChatGPT too. It's a geolocation API
yeah. It's how
embed
website take
to HTML5.
yeah the location of user.
Yeah, geolocation.
I got it.
They say less JavaScript for HTML5.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh, the video and audio tag is also the API. It's called multimedia API.
But like you see in my screen, I search on the for this is so they said that uh, we have we at HTML for solution we also have embedding images, image and video. Are they different from image elements that we have on HTML5, Kiran?
Uh, uh, no. I think
It's a
Ah,
below.
yeah. Okay. What's up, Dio? Keep going.
Yeah, on your screen, it's a geolocation
Sure.
HTML5 can access to geolocation, right? And
Yeah.
in the older version, we have to put Flash player, but on HTML5, it native support the play of audio video tag.
Mhm. Okay, that's right. You
Yeah,
didn't support without user flash, support. Okay, just show what's the difference. You don't need to remember all this.
okay.
In case your interviewer ask you something like what's the difference between HTML and HTML5, just show just answer him like we have audio or video tags. Actually, is that Flash Player support? Um, and other things like yeah, never mind this. Mobile friendly? No, not really. We also have responsive at HTML. Okay, okay, it's okay then. JS geolocation API. Okay, I agree with it. And from here, HTML5 enables your website or HTML website access users geographical location by using JS, or else we can define in a meta. I guess just my guess using in meta element to define the area of country that your website are using. Okay, local storage API as well. Okay, it's normal, and this is the most yeah, the most dramatic thing that we need to pay attention to is the introduction of header, footer, section, and article. So take you think that are they useful in developing a HTML website? Think you see any advantages?
from using HTML5.
No, no, no. Header, footer, section, or else article.
I mean, I use that all the time.
So, do you see any advantage or benefit of using this e- element instead of div, not or something like that, or session?
Yeah, it helps to like separate page section so we can see better and improve visibility, I guess.
Anything else? Anyone have idea that wanna
I think anything about semantic. For example, when we develop HTML, we have something called semantics HTML, right? That means
yes?
we follow the why above structure. It help disable it help disability people. For example, if they blind and they cannot read our website, they have some software to read for them. That software gonna work better on our website. And semantic help search engine too. It can recognize where the main section, another section, main content, footer, for example, something like that. I mean, anything about semantic help API help people help other machine read our website better.
Is that all? Anything else?
Yeah, that's all from me.
Uh, it is it on question on my question. Is that your thought or you search on website or ChatGPT?
No, I remember from somewhere I heard about the term semantic, and I infer from that term semantic something. In this case, we have semantic HTML. That's mean the structure. We have to follow the structure to help. Before we have search engine, right? Google or even Facebook. It read into our website. It pull data. It index data.
Mhm.
Semantic help that purpose.
Yeah, that's right. In technical, we call it sorry, yeah, search engine optimization. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a role that our employer need to optimize our website so that, for example, like I just got a website for a barber shop. Sorry. Okay, we got my website on the first result. Why? Because they sell it. They optimize the search results so that users or any user like me can search on Google, Bing, Safari much easier.
yeah.
The result that we actually want uh, appear at the top of the list result. Yeah, that is search engine optimization.
Is that your
Here
business?
is oh no
Is it?
no of course
Oh,
no.
because I think I'm gonna try it when I go to Hanoi. Oh, you
No.
build this website, right?
Yeah, I and my team build this website.
Okay.
We build lots of website like Lumia for a cosmetic beauty. Yeah. We also add lazy loading, but the server is free, so that's why we feel this website. The performance of this website is quite slow because, yeah, as I mentioned, the server I put on it is free, totally free.
Nice.
Yeah, we built this website for beauty at Long Biên, Long Long Biên.
Is that a firm, right?
What?
Long Biên is that
It's
a
a
Long
district.
Biên. No,
district?
no,
Okay.
we don't have district anymore. I remember.
Yeah,
This district is the largest.
Phường,
phường. World.
phường. Yeah, here's our website. Uh, yeah, I built lots of them. I and my team. Anyway, to sum up, these are the difference between HTML and HTML5. So, Thịnh and Divo or Killian, do you have any question?
No.
No.
How about you, Thịnh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. No. No.
Oh, okay. So we go on with our lesson. So I put a table to compare HTML and HTML5. So you can, based on this, or else you can capture your screen and you can go back at home, or else you can take this information in your notebook if you have. Oh, yeah. Um, so normally, if you, in case you learn something new, Zivo, do you have any application that you take note every day? New things, new knowledge.
Oh, every
You,
day.
no, no, I mean when you study new lesson or new thing, new technique. Do you have anything that you keep in a notebook or something else, physically or on your laptop? I just wonder.
Oh, yes. I put everything in it's just Notepad, TXT
Notepad.
file. Yes, TXT file. Yes, I put all of my note in a TXT file. Different note.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's just like that.
Okay. How about you?
Some of
Oh, okay.
my PowerShell script, I just put everything in the TXT file and index it like the hashtag, right? Something like this.
Can you
Something.
share?
Yeah. So I can search later in front of the PowerShell. I put the hashtag like that, and I search the hashtag later.
Can you share screen that how you actually do it?
I can't. I can't.
Oh,
There are a
oh,
lot of
your
internal
work.
stuff. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
I just
okay.
need TXT file. Yes.
This one unique for us. How about you think?
No. I really not used to like writing while studying.
Huh.
Especially in CS, I not taking note at all.
Nice.
Really?
Well,
Maybe it's a bad practice, but
Okay, okay. It's up to you. So, yeah, different method of approaching.
maybe I'll learn from NJ. But I don't know how this works yet, so maybe NJ can share with us another day when he prepares something. Okay.
I just put everything in a different TXT file, PowerShell, Linux command, DevOps, everything in different TXT file, and I shut later. I can shut on the whole like a whole folder at the same time, something like that. Because TXT file we can shut easily on Windows, Linux, Google Drive. Yeah, I just go ahead into that folder and shut.
Mm. One knowledge I learned. Okay.
Yeah, this is so new to me too.
I I learned from my old boss because he has a master degree in library science, and
Wow.
he has a huge work documents file and he organized his file like that. It looked like random, a hashtag something, and then the detail below. And every time he needs something, he just go to that work document and he shut like a small shut engine on his own machine. And I say, oh, I don't want work document. I want TXT, and I like pivot that idea into the TXT file, and I just go to folder shut. Yeah,
TFT file.
yeah, TXT file. It's just a clear text, right? You can
Yeah.
shut on a Linux, grab command, Windows, whatever. Just go ahead and shut. You don't have to worry about like different section. Just put everything in that TXT file.
Like, does it take a lot of RAM when you store so many things?
No, no, nothing.
Not at all.
Because I don't care about image, photo, right? I put some link in there, but the main reason is most of the Linux command I forgot and just go over there and shut.
How about table?
No, I don't think anything like design. I just want clear data.
A table is a good structure that visualize a comparison for you, right?
The main reason I put some everything. I put all of my knowledge in the TXT file is the speed up shut I can do later. For example, if I put it on my Linux server, I can just grab command and shut. That's the reason why I choose TXT file. If you work on Windows all the time, you should put on a document, work document or something like that. It's better.
Mm, mm,
Yeah,
uh,
that's my system. I don't know if it work or not, but it worked for me.
So, so the something that you send on chat is like the topic, and then you search on the topic.
Yes. For example, uh, I have recycle bin, and then I put my PowerShell command below that. So when I
right.
shut, right, I control F and then hashtag, so it only shut the the index only when I shut later, just like that, random. I don't have any organization like inside that TXT file. It's weird, right? I showed that to my boss. I said, "Really, you don't?" Yes, I put everything. I don't spend time edit that TXT file. It's small anyway. It's super small.
Okay, very interesting.
My
uh,
my boss, he put in Notion.
yeah, me too.
He put everything in Notion.
Me too.
I tried Notion sometime like 2 times and I don't like it.
Why?
I just don't
It
like
takes
it.
time to organize the Notion.
Yeah, it takes time. You log in. Come on, you log in and then you do this, do that. I don't like that.
You can see
TXT
my screen
file
that
is really small. I like everything
mm,
locally. Everything should have to be local.
local.
Yes, and I register free Gmail account, so I have space and put everything inside that. Synchronize between different computer, my laptop, my PC, MacBook. Yeah, I
Mm,
just work on TXT file.
but okay, but I think in a taste the area thing is put in the same format. And do they have a bold or italic taste?
No, I don't care about that. I don't care
So
anything about color, font, italic, bold. I don't care.
Okay, okay, okay.
You see my PC, you see like dark mode, tech only. Man, it boring. It boring, but it work. It speed. It speed.
Okay, Killer, can you can learn old school,
Yeah, old
old
school way
school,
of trying to
Yeah,
say.
old school.
old school study. Vậy cả nho. Library science master. I agree.
Yes, he
Okay,
served in U.S. Army, and then he get out the U.S. Army, and he go to study Master of Library Science. And one day, when I look into his PC, I say, "This document is huge. It 1 gigabyte. What what is it?" He said, "All of my life, everything, all of my life." Yeah, my boss said all of my life, child education, medical, all everything belong to my life. It does work document, and he showed me how he organized that.
like a dictionary. Oh my god,
Yeah, I said, oh, it worked. And it's
dictionary.
just do it.
Mm, okay. I appreciate it. Okay. So we go on now. Lesson some what is actually the role of HTML. Okay. On the first semester, we have three fundamental subjects, including HTML5, CS3, and JavaScript. And what are those and what are their roles? Uh, so, can you tell me the specific role of each language, each technical skill that we learn in the future?
In teach HTML,
Okay, you can tell me HTML first.
um, like heading, like paragraph, link, image,
Anything else?
section, div.
I mean, you tell me. Okay, you sum up all that information and tell me in 1 to 2 sentences about the role of HTML in building a website.
Um, I think it's organizing the content.
Anything else? Organizing content. Okay, nearly. Yeah, quite true.
Kind of like that, and
Mm-hmm.
so that CSS can styling.
Mm-hmm. How about JavaScript?
JavaScript is for adding function into the content. Like when you tap something, it appear or do something.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Okay. How about you, Zivo? Did you have anything extra wanna add for us?
Mm, Nothing extra. I agree with that HTML is the structure, CSS is the design, the style, and
Mm-hmm.
JavaScript is the responsive part of the website.
What?
The responsive, for example, when you move your mouse cursor to an area, that area gonna change, gonna do something. The function, the response of the website. When I think when I say responsive, you think about like mobile device or sorry about that, but it is the response. the action the website respond to you, the user.
Mhm. Okay, overall we call it event.
Yeah, yeah,
Event uh in a website. Okay. Uh yeah. Okay. Imagine that we build a robot. So first we need to create a score. I mean some outline. Yeah, yeah, score first, and then yeah, score here is HTML. Yeah, the structure of it. Okay,
yeah. Structure.
the structure, and then we find that we need to make up them, dress up this robot and something like that. Eyes red, mouth is black, something like that.
Mhm.
And then we call it making process, dress up process. In here we have CS. Okay, and in order to make the robot talkable or movable or something else, I mean functionable, uh, we need to set some rules for him. We call it JS. I mean, put a brain for this robot. Yeah, the brain. Hmm. Listening, seeing, talking, and so on. All of that event or action, we represent for JS. That's the role of JS. Yeah. Okay. That's all. Um, and I think will start a little bit about uh, coding right now with our VS Code. Okay, but first you ask me how how can we install Live Server? So do you go into your Visual Studio Code first? You see a screen empty, like not like this. Okay, very empty like this. Okay,
Yeah.
like this. Hit one, two, three, four, five fifth button extensions. Okay, and type live server,
Live server.
live server. Okay, you need to hit. Okay, the first result is our need. So install it. You got it.
I got it.
Okay, and then the next thing you need to do is that close your Visual Studio Code and reopen it again, because we want to apply all of these changes for our EDA. Yeah, and there you can see a go live button at the bottom right of your screen.
Okay, I saw it.
Okay, very quickly. Okay, I appreciate it. And then I will come of your
I
screen.
think
Okay,
you're laggy.
Can you say? Can you say again?
I think it's laggy.
for
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Oh, okay, sorry. Just open a new folder. Open folder. Inside I create our subject HTML site. Uh, Sorry, lesson one. Select folder. That's all. Oh, ChatGPT, I will disable it. Copilot. Just a minute. disable or restart extension. Okay, are you there? Eva? Do
Yes,
you
I mean,
know? Yeah. So it's first this step, and in here I will create a HTML file, something like index.html. Okay. Think. Do you know how to create a structure of HTML file very quickly like this?
I think you're lagging. Can you say again?
Okay. Do you know the fastest way of creating HTML structure file like this?
Uh, chấm than enter.
yeah, sometimes.
Enter.
For,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Okay. We'll move on some simple element or task. Karen, do you have any question?
No, 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 I don't.
Okay. Okay. Simply, we have two types of element or task. The first
Info,
one that
info, question.
oh
So, when you study like these thing like element and tag stuff, do you take note at all, or you will like when you prepare for interview or something, you just go on online and then you find some cheat sheet or something to practice to learn?
okay. When I was still a student at tertiary education, I normally create a notion. Yeah, I mean I know I'm different from Ziva. Yeah, and I put everything that I learned from the internet by myself into this. Okay, I don't have HTML. Okay, I have HTML here. So, um, okay, back to your question. I do really practice besides learning theory of it, but in some specific case, like I got an order, for example, of my customer, like creating a mobile app, though I haven't learned mobile knowledge before. That in that case, I will learn everything that is essential to you know to commit their demand. Yeah, you get it.
Yeah,
I mean, instead of learning from the beginning, like how to install it. Okay, I still learn how to install and creating a project as well. But after that, I learn how to create this function instead of creating a basic structure at first. Yeah, it's very risky because you are lack of fundamental of this technique. Mhm. Any question? Think.
no, no, good.
Yeah. Yeah. Very risky. Risky. Yeah. Kiran, any question?
No.
Okay. Yeah. There are two sides of learning in that way. The disadvantage, one of the most advantages of that method is that I'm lack of fundamental knowledge about that technology. Anyway, my in my mind, the fastest way of learning anything is uh, is to practice. Yeah, instead reading documentation on the product producer of the producer. Yeah, to me, practice is the fastest way. But anyway, when I go to work at APT software, I realize that I need to learn from the bottom. Yeah, from the easiest knowledge. Agree, Junior? Jivon, you agree with that?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you
But I think,
agree? What?
but I think the way of learning by thesis is useful in some case. For example, the night before the interview, there's no way to practice, right?
Hmm.
We have to use cheat sheet. I
Yeah.
think cheat sheet is a good way to review. Yeah.
Mhm, I agree. Uh, yeah, my employers, my colleges, before a day that he had an interview, he he, go, he went to YouTube and saw lots of cheeses on YouTube that YouTuber ask their interview ask their mentees or
Mm,
employers lots of questions and he recited. Yeah,
mm.
learn by himself. Okay.
I think
Okay.
nowadays we can use ChatGPT to prepare for the interview. We provide our CV and the job description and the route, for example, phone interview or technical interview or HR interview, and it's gonna generate a lot of question and answer.
Mhm. But most of interviewers they will ask you and they will find out that if you are really understand the mechanism of the technology that is your strength.
Mm. Yeah, I mean, for example, when we work on HTML like this, we have what you are teaching is calling boilerplate, right? The
Mhm.
beginning of everything. We can use ChatGPT to repair for that, to build the basic one. Of course, the answer is not for you. We have to read the answer,
Mhm.
rewrite the answer, study the answer. But the question is the very useful part of ChatGPT. I think I don't need it answer because the answer is too general. However, the question is very useful, like 10 or 15 or 20 question for me before the interview, the night before the interview. I use that many times. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Can we go on with our class? Okay. Any question? Thing. Uh, okay,
No,
go.
no.
Okay. How about you, Caleb?
No.
Mhm. So, normally, how can you study? I mean, how can you study when I teach you or in like TypeScript apply? Okay.
Uh, can you say that one more time? I think you just like turn off your mic or something.
Okay. Okay. I will put my micro near to my mouth and clear,
Yeah.
louder. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just wonder that I assign. or you want to learn TypeScript by yourself. But I just wonder the way that you apply to learn it.
Um, I think the best thing that I study from you is the get out of tutorial hell. Um, as the thing already mentioned that as you like if you have an interview or an exam, you're gonna find a cheat sheet or something. But I used to be like that. Like whenever I got into exam, I'm gonna use any sources I trying to remember it. But after I read the source, I if if uh like for after the exam, it I cannot like remember anything because I don't understand I don't understand the fundamental. So um just as I learning the new language, I used to be like that. I used to like watch bro code to learn the new language, but after all, I couldn't like starting coding.
Yeah,
Um, as Fukjang has mentioned, learn the fundamental. If you already know the fundamental, like such as JavaScript or even though I couldn't, um, I used to like um not actually learn the Java. I just learning JavaScript, but after get familiar with JavaScript, okay, I understand Java and TypeScript is really easier than it's I think it's easy than JavaScript. So
yeah,
just language is just a tool. Don't be just like just trying to learn a lot of language, but you couldn't remember even those. Well, syntax you can search on Google, but the thing is you learn about the logic.
mhm.
That's how I work. That's how I learn the new thing.
Okay. Uh, okay. With take on.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that the most important thing when you learn by yourself is that the installation of your technique. For example, with AWS, have you heard? Have you done anything with AWS before? Take.
Oh, I just started studying last night.
Oh, okay. AWS is very complicated. For example, so I put all my note in a Notion area steps that I need to achieve something like deploy a Node.js app with MySQL with EC2. Yeah, lots of steps I couldn't remember. So every when I got back with this kind of step, I always open this thing and follow the yes, follow the steps that I note down, and I also explain it. Yeah, I also explain
Okay.
this like so. Yeah, most important thing besides the knowledge, we need to take a note of the installation or the step that you feel very complicated and hard to understand. Sorry, hard to remember. We understand it, it's okay, but remember the whole command, impossible. Yeah, yeah, very impossible. Like this command or env5 or something like that, pm2, etc. Yeah. Okay, with HTML elements or tasks, we have two types of HTML tasks, including self-closing void element and elements that have both open tag and closed tag inside of. Yeah, casually is the content is in the middle of closed and open tag. Any question with this slide? I think no. Ziva, do you have any question?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Then do you default or think do you find HTML is too easy and you are familiar with it, so can we skip it or something else like you are already available with getting final examination?
Question about what? Can you repeat it?
Uh, are you ready to take a final examination of HTML and CSS subject?
I mean, okay. Okay.
Would
For me, I don't think so. I
okay.
remember, yes, when I look into your screen and what you say, I remember back, but I don't think I'm ready to take any exam.
Okay. Okay, okay. So we will go on with HTML attributes. Attributes play role as something like properties of an HTML element. For example, with a anchor element, we have attribute href. Href means that HTML reference that when we click on this button, it will go straight to your website. Here is a URL or with the image HTML, we have some attributes like source or ALT. So, Tank, do you know ALT stands for what?
Alternative.
On what it used for?
So when the page fail to load the image, it will show the text like image description.
Oh, that's right. Okay, and the format of the format syntax of attribute following this rule k and key and value. Okay, double quote. Okay, the value is in put in double quote. Okay, and can you uh, separate these two type of elements, including block and inline thing? Thing ơi,
You
I,
show in slide, I think block is like one element and taking the whole line, but when you use inline, they will try to like fit every element that has the same attribute in line on the same line with each other.
is that all?
Maybe, yeah. That's all for me.
Ziva, do you remember any knowledge about block or inline element?
I think my knowledge is similar to what you show us now. Block elements take the whole width, and
What?
then inline is kind of an insert, right?
So can I? Okay. One quick question for you. Can I put? Okay, I have a span element. Can I put p inside span element? Thing.
Can you repeat that? Sorry.
Can I put p element inside span element like this?
Yeah, I think you can.
Okay. How about you, Kid?
I think it's no, because span is just a block, but because No, span is inline. Yeah, span is inline, and P is the whole block.
So what?
So it gotta be conflict.
Do the website show our error? I will go live for this. Just a minute. Just a second. Wait, what? Oh, I think there's something wrong. Okay. Um.
Mm, yeah, I see you typing, right? Or other. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Shit.
Reason the behind the number.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Only
Um.
one.
Okay. So we got for title. We got from A2 to S6. So do we have S7? Do we have it?
Ah, I think we have.
Huh?
No.
I think we have. Let me try. I don't know. Why not?
I think
I
do
think
we have H7 heading cell?
No.
Yeah.
Based on my VS Code. Oh, we
Okay.
have.
We do not have so heading cell. Yeah. Uh, if you define it, okay, it will include in jar code, but yeah,
Okay.
We'll
basically,
we'll run at the H6
yeah.
or show nothing.
Mm,
I got a question. I got a question.
mhm.
Will it show if we put H7? It will show nothing, or it will show the H6 instead.
It show nothing. It show
Oh,
paragraph,
show.
right?
Oh,
Yeah,
If we put
I agree with
if
you.
we
If we show paragraph format instead of,
if we put H7, it's gonna show similar to paragraph. Is that
oh,
correct? Because nothing.
yeah, I think so. Or else
I
we can check together right here. S7 hello Ola class. Okay, because I couldn't work
It's laggy. It's laggy. I think you like.
We're going
Yeah, it's so similar to Para.
to check. You hear? Can you hear me?
Yep.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Can you see my share screen now?
Uh, yeah, I see you share the Google the meeting.
Oh, okay.
Yep, I see.
When you inspect it, I can see that in a paragraph on normal format, but inside we also get S7. What the fuck? With nothing I mean nothing style for it. Still
Yeah,
normal word. Yeah, I got word here. Format like a normal text, just a normal text. But we got a H7 when our browser built a DOM tree. Wow.
What
Yeah.
what what is the DOM tree?
Um. Can I say in another lesson,
Okay, sure, sure.
or I will show you a picture and you will understand it? Yeah, this picture. Can you realize or see a relative to our HTML file? Do you all?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
I'm reading it.
Okay. So basically, it look like a tree with a leaf is our content. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that is down tree. Yeah.
What uh,
Mm,
what the DOM stand for? Document Object Model. Okay.
Take do you have any question? Thing rồi.
No, 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 I don't.
Okay, I thought it was my. We have two more slides, so yeah, 5 to 10 more minutes. We learned about list elements, including unordered list and ordered list. OL stands for unordered list, and think you can you guess LE stand for what?
Li
Is list?
What?
list item.
Yeah,
List?
this item. Exactly. And description list. How about DT? Diva?
Maybe DT date data title T
Description title.
title, right?
Description title. Description.
Description title. And how about DD? Description data
Definition.
definition.
Description. Definition. Or des definition. Description.
Definition description. That's so confused.
Yeah. Okay. You can try your homework. We don't have much time.
Uh-huh.
So your homework is very basic. First homework is very basic. Okay. We also have Anchor. Yeah, maybe you are familiar with it. Okay, we have three types of using Anchor like this, including this. Okay, okay, I got example for you, or else I open maybe.
I couldn't hear you again.
Give me one.
I think the connection was lost.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I hear you now.
Okay.
I think
What?
I think your network know which one is important to us, so it's just cancel out right time.
Oh,
They're hearing
okay.
from you.
Okay, nothing to say. Okay, I got a demo for you. With the first anchor, I use it either to link to YouTube. So, okay, pay attention to this demo. You can see it that when I click, okay, link to YouTube, it will replace my website instead of opening a new tab. All right, and Timo, can you see the difference between that the first time I click to it and after I click to link into my YouTube site?
The color again.
Yes, why?
History, right?
Yeah, something like that. We on our website, the history is stored in our website, like cake session or local storage, etc. I don't know, but anyway, they have a mechanism to store our history and remember it that we have visited this site. Okay, and here's the second use of anchor with attribute target with the blank. You can see it right. Yeah, we opened a new website. Yeah, instead of replacing it, and our website keep existing. Okay, agree. And yeah, another third and last use of anchor is to keep an anchor and index. I mean, like this. I go to heading one. Can you see it, Zivo? I do it again. Go to heading.
I see it. Yeah.
Yeah. How can I achieve this function? I using uh, an ID identification. For example, there's this inner anchor. I declare an ID value
Mm,
like head one. How can I say this symbol in English?
I think just hashtag.
A
Hashtag.
hashtag. Okay, hashtag head one, and above that I put an ID attribute. So whenever I hit go to heading one, it will straight up immediately to the position of this element. And the functions for this is the like this to move to specific section. Yeah,
Mm, mm.
our services, our ours, our story, and so on. Our team member, our services, and this button as well to move to the top of our website. Yeah, hero section.
So it's just one page, and it jumped to different sections, right?
Yes, that's right. That's how we do it. Rap fluently, seamlessly. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Any question, thing?
Yeah, I actually do. So you said it will know which link we have visited. So is there any way that make it not changing at all? Make the link not changing when we click it, and then we look back, not like have the lighter color.
CSS, using CS to fix the color and underline not just using CSS.
Okay.
Fix it. Okay. Okay then. Do you wanna share anything else with our two students or you any question?
Sir, you have any specific what about the link and about the slide?
What?
Can you say the question one more time?
Do you have anything else you wanna share with our students or you have any question for me?
Uh, I think I don't wanna ask you, but just kidding, just kidding. You have any feedback for our professor, our teacher?
Okay, I will stop the record. Oh, you can say give me some feedback that I can improve my lesson for the next lesson. Okay, feel free to share yourself. Starting from Ziva.
I think to survive in your class, I have
Mhm.
to have enough knowledge before I'm survive this today because I have some basic knowledge. I don't know if I can do well in the next lesson or the lesson after that. I don't know. So maybe next lecture you can slow down a little bit, start slow
Oh,
again because maybe just me. I don't have a CS background. HTML I know, but JavaScript I know nothing. So
mm,
that's why maybe on the next lesson I sh- I'm gonna remind you to slow down a little bit, show me the code, explain the code. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, sorry for today because I got something with my lightsaber, so I will face it.
Okay.
Okay, anything else?
That's all for me.
Oh, okay. Oh, actually, when I teach you in English, I very slow down because I'm not very well speaking English, right?
Mm.
Then, yeah, comparing to myself when I teach in our mother tongue, I taught them very quick, and they sometimes they complain with me that can you slow can I slow down the speed of the lesson. We couldn't come up with the knowledge,
Okay.
and I don't know why children still come up with me and cope with difficult homework. I don't know why.
Hey, uh, in Vietnam we call hiểu tâm lý phụ nữ.
What the
just,
hell?
just kidding.
What is that?
What the fuck? What the fuck is that?
um, there are I think I can like guarantee with you, Ziva is Phúc is I think I mean he's my first and first and best mentor I never have a mentor before, but I think Phúc is teaching me a lot. So I mean, for me, just for me, I follow like everything. So he had well, he can like start teaching slowly for you. I believe so.
Yeah.
When you can tell him in Vietnamese for deliver your information easier.
Hả?
Nói bằng
Info.
tiếng Việt thì cho nó dễ.
Thì anh Phúc rất là tốt. À, anh Phúc nói cái anh Phúc giỏi liền nên là mọi người có
Nói
gì cứ
đi,
feedback. Hả?
nói đi
Không
yêu yêu mình
thì
tốt hơn
không.
mà.
Thì anh Phúc dạy tốt, rất là kiểu nếu như mà anh muốn học sâu hay là học qua gì thì anh Phúc cũng chịu được á, nên
Ok.
đối với em thì em thấy anh Phúc cái flow anh Phúc dạy thì à, ok thì nhưng mà đương nhiên thì
Đấy.
đương nhiên là anh Duy nói vậy thì sau này anh Phúc đổi liền nên là anh Duy cứ yên tâm.
Hả?
Em cũng anh Duy nói vậy chậm chậm lại thì anh Phúc cũng ok liền thì em cũng chỉ là người học thôi chứ không phải leader hết, nên là mọi người đừng nghĩ kiểu tân bốc anh.
Ok.
Thì thực tế ra là mình cũng không cần leader cho lắm. Tại vì căn bản là nhiều người nhiều người học mình thì cũng bảo là cũng dễ hiểu rồi nên là cũng ok. Ví dụ như Jenny ở lúc kia thì cũng bảo là ok dễ hiểu các thứ, nhiều người cũng bảo thế rồi thì ok mình cũng tự tin mình cũng tiến tới thôi. Thế còn nếu mà mọi người muốn đổi người dạy, ví dụ như là bạn nào thì đó họ Nguyên thì ok, ai đó thì họ Nguyễn mình dạy thì ok cũng được. Thế còn học lớp đó người đó mà dạy thì không chắc là người đó là nghe feedback đâu, không chắc lắm, tại vì làm việc nhiều khi làm việc nó thì thôi cái nói sau. Thế còn anh Gio cũng không có feedback gì đâu, mình có slow down lại đúng không?
Không mà yeah, so lại một tí, mà nếu mà yên tâm, nếu mà anh thấy anh có chỗ nào không hiểu là anh hỏi liền anh không có đợi, nên em
Vâng
cứ
em biết
yên
ngay.
tâm, nếu em quên thì anh nhắc liền.
Okay. Thì vẫn là
Yeah.
theo tiêu chí là what how why và 20-80 đúng không? Thì vẫn theo tiêu chí đầu mà.
Yeah.
Lúc này thì ok. Thế còn Thịnh thì sao nhỉ? How about you?
Em chưa
Ờ,
thấy có vấn đề.
Chưa thấy có vấn đề. Mình phải chấp nhận một điều là trong cuộc sống là ngày mai có thể có vấn đề,
Ôi,
đúng không?
khai
Vấn
thác
đề
vấn đề.
được, đúng rồi. Quan trọng là cái mình kiểm soát được là cái thái độ của mình. Ngày mai bây giờ sáng nay anh chuẩn bị học nửa tiếng trước khi anh vô anh học, thế là Hacker One nó report, có một thằng researcher report là có một cái lỗ hổng bảo mật trên cái sản phẩm của công ty anh, thế là anh đâu có tập trung được. Nhưng mà quan trọng là mình kiểm soát được cái thái độ của mình thôi.
ôi,
Đúng rồi.
Yeah.
anh Phúc anh Duy chứ, anh Duy cứ yên tâm, hồi trước em còn cái khóa em là đang học khóa đầu tiên này, là em còn để anh Phúc ra mà hỏi nữa cơ.
Ừ. Yeah.
cười cười luôn mà.
Ý
Yên
là
luôn rồi.
có nhiều cái aspect mình cũng không ngờ tới.
Uh-huh.
Mình thì cũng không đào quá sâu về một cái vấn đề nào đó đâu. Nhưng mà mình cũng hiểu nó cũng cặn kẽ vấn đề rồi. Đúng không nhỉ? Bất tử ấy.
Ok.
Ok, cũng theo giờ Việt Nam thì cũng 11 rưỡi rồi, cũng muộn rồi. Tuy nhiên, ý là anh em có muốn thay đổi lịch học không hay là vẫn giữ nguyên?
Anh thì anh ok.
Thịnh thì sao em?
Anh mới hỏi cái gì à?
Anh hỏi là em có muốn đóng thêm tiền không?
Thành hỏi lại một câu nữa, anh hỏi cái gì, anh nói gì em không nghe. Cái câu đó là cái câu đó
Hình
là
như
mình
hình như wifi anh Phúc bị lag.
cứ cái câu đó là mình
Anh
giả
hơi
điếc.
đúng à?
Hình như wifi anh bị lag.
Cứ
Em
tới cái đoạn đó là mình giả điếc thôi.
đúng rồi.
Đúng không? Cứ
Bao
tới
nhiêu
đoạn
người
đó,
nghe được, bao nhiêu
cứ
người
tới
nghe được
tự chỗ đó là mình giả điếc.
đấy.
Nãy anh Duy đâu có nghe anh Phúc nói gì đâu nhỉ?
Không nghe vậy đó.
À,
Đấy, có
lát
nghe mà.
sao ta, lát sao á,
Cứ tới đoạn đó là nó lắc hay lắm.
tới đoạn quan trọng nó lát à.
Tới đoạn quan trọng là nó lắc.
Đấy, theo như thỏa thuận của em thì là đấy, mỗi người đóng thêm 50%. Thì em Thịnh có đồng ý không?
Thôi anh có meeting anh drop nha. Quá giờ học rồi mà thầy giảng dữ quá nên thôi mình drop đi.
Không, nhưng thật sự là nhiều khi em dạy toàn dạy quá thôi. Tại vì là ý là mình toàn dạy sâu, như ví dụ em thấy mấy đứa kia nó dạy nó đúng 10 giờ chúng nó off luôn, kiểu đúng 10 giờ thì nó ăn off luôn đi, vãi nhái thật.
nhưng mà anh ơi, do mình nói chuyện nhiều á anh.
Thế à, hay chi thôi.
Ui da,
Mình bàn về mấy cái ngoài ngoài nhiều.
Nhưng mà vui mà.
Thì cũng helpful thôi, chứ đâu có gì.
Mà cũng được là tối thứ sáu ha, tối thứ sáu cũng đỡ. Tối thứ sáu bên Phúc.
Và tối thứ sáu tức là tối thứ sáu tức là sáng thứ bảy đúng nhỉ.
thứ sáu bên anh á.
Tối thứ sáu bên em bên em đang tối thứ sáu.
Vâng, để em xem. Vâng, được, được. Thế em đá bạn kia sang nước khác vậy.
Hả? Hả? Bạn nào vậy?
Cái ông kia ơi, thế là người ta
Ồ,
đi
em
làm.
nói có một bạn mới làm data analyst á hả?
Ui,
Vâng,
được đấy chứ, ở Mỹ. Wow.
Sao không combine với lớp này luôn?
vấn đề là bạn ấy đi làm rồi, nhưng mà ý là cái giờ này là cái giờ mà trùng mấy giờ bạn ấy đi làm ấy,
Ờ,
nên là không biết bạn ấy bây giờ nào.
Nếu mà đi làm thì đâu có tham gia buổi tối giờ Việt Nam được.
Nhưng mà anh cũng đi làm mà.
Tại vì anh làm ở nhà thì anh đang làm 2-3 cái màn hình nè.
Thế chắc em đoán bạn ấy giờ Central hoặc giờ Đông rồi.
Nãy giờ lọn đọn đầu anh đâu có tập trung được rồi, tại vì chat chít tùm lum là
Thế